One of the must-haves of the entire show. Cooking this up could only be Chef Chad Allen, who is here. Chef Chad, how are you, my friend?
Whoa, 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 calm down. I haven't introduced myself yet. It's Chef Good Deal. I'm cooking up good deal.
Brilliant.
Come on, I want to see it. I got to see Adam's face for that one. Come on, guys. Chef Good Deal is here.
You've been working on that all day, I can tell. That's an amazing line, my friend. But not as good as the
I got it from Bob. Bob gave it to me.
I was going to say, that sounds like a Sacosta line. Chad, this feels like something's wrong. The high-quality projectors can be 4, 5, 6 times this price. At $19.95, this is nuts.
In fact, they are, and this one in particular, the Motion Startastic that we're talking about today, they sell it all day long, or they will be selling it for sure this holiday season for over $40. I know it says it on your screen. The team worked hard to get that retail compare in there so you could see just how valuable it was. So shout out to our buying team there. But this is that item that you're about to see on every end cap and every store, except one huge difference. We have this year's, the future images, what you're going to see on the store shelves are last year's images. So if you want different types of designs and shapes that your neighbors and friends don't have, then you want the one here at HSN. This is the Startastic. It has, real quick, one of the quick call outs is, how many do you need? So we recommend 2 or 3 if you have a 2-tier house, or maybe you're in a townhouse and it's really tall or really wide. You're going to want to pick up a couple of them, as you can see here in the video. If you're in a ranch style home, 1 might be enough for you. But this is the first airing of the holiday season where we are just so excited to share with you the 2020 designs. Nobody has seen them before. You're getting 12 different slides, as Adam pointed out. We're giving you the 5 Halloween, so 5 different slides for Halloween, and each slide has 4 designs on them that rotate. Okay, we're giving you 5 Christmas. We're giving you 2 New Year's, which also includes a snowflake design. And when you take the slide out of the side, it creates sort of like globes. Let me back it up a little bit so you can see. It sort of creates like these nice circles and shapes. Hello, karaoke. We can sing, we can dance, we can have a good time. So you don't have to have any shapes at all. But I just showed you right there. The slide goes into the side. We're giving you 12 of these, okay? You just pop it in and you plug it in. That's all you have to do. The only other thing you can decide on is we give you the stake. Of course, you can stake this into the ground like a normal thing into your grass, or for the first time ever, don't be surprised, here at HSN, they struck quite a deal. You can open this up and we're giving you a tripod. We're giving you a tripod for your projector. We've never done that before, which means Adam and Amy, you guys can take it inside for all of your holiday parties. How about that?
Chef Chad, Chef Chad Good Deal. You have really, I mean, you've knocked it out of the park. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that cockroach doing? Chad, where are those pest repellers when you need them? What is going on over here? Oh my goodness me. Guys, we are thrilled that you're loving this. This was, when we were putting the show together, this was the very first item that Amy and I chose as an opportunity, as a really exciting buy for less than $20. This brings so much of the festive spirit from Thanksgiving to Halloween to Christmas. And if you're looking, thinking, I've seen those types of projectors before, you haven't. The projectors of old were very different. They were weak, they were slow, they were pixelated, they were blurry, they weren't vivid and bright and saturated and crisp and clean images. This is, as Chad said, the 2020 model, which is a much more advanced piece of technology. Look how fluidly it moves. Look how bright it is. I mean, significantly different to what we're used to seeing. Still close to 700-800 people ordering. We're racing towards 1,000 sold. If you do want to buy 2 or 3 of them, of course you can do. Maybe one at the front of the house, one at the back of the house. If you have a larger facade at the front, you might want to buy 2 to go at the front. Everything that Amy and I are doing today is backed by our extended return policy as well. So when you buy this, you have all of September, October, November, December, and January to make that final decision. If by the end of January you don't think it's the best thing ever, of course you can return it to us. But dollar for dollar, if you and I and Chad and Amy went out to buy festive lights, not only are they expensive, but they're a hassle, they're hard work, the installation, it's an issue. This is one perhaps and done. You place it at the front and you turn it on and you are good to go. All weather from a really cold winter to a not so cold winter. Of course it's made to last. But Chad, you know, I think we're all excited because it's only $19.95. That gets us excited to pick up an order. But the reason why we're excited truly to keep it is because the results are spectacular.
I mean, spectacular is like one of the words you can use for it. I call it good deal, 20 bucks. Give me a $20 bill all day long. So what we've been cooking up for you are those new designs, but also very important to point out, your neighbors may have one that's just beams of light, just lasers. All it is a dot that's on your wall. That's not what this is. So I want to show you just how magical. I'm going to turn this a little bit because it's probably easier for me. There are 6 different circles on the inside that's rotating through the colors, and that's turning. This is not one of those laser projectors. This is a motion projector. This is moving parts on the inside with those different lights. There's 6 different circles grabbing your little disc. On that disc, you're going to see how there's four little hollow places right there all around? Those are the designs. They're super tiny, but when they go inside, they blow up and they come to life. You're getting a whole pack. They're all packaged just like this in a baggie, so you can't lose them. And all you have to do to change a slide is go ahead and click the button, pop out a slide, and put in a new one. But Adam, there's something else that's pretty special. You get 5 Halloween, you get 5 Christmas, and you get 2 New Year's, so 12 all together. And there's a button. There is an on-off switch on top, but it does more than turn it on and turn it off. That button there on the top takes it from fast. I'm going to show you right here. We're going to keep our eye right there. Fast to slow to stop. Those images stop. Did you see that?
I see it.
It's sort of hard to see. You're going to have to believe me. It goes from fast to slow to stop. So you are in complete control. So when you are in the kitchen cooking up for that Halloween party, maybe your Christmas party, and you can't invite your friends over and you still want to be happy, I'm here alone. I'm having a great time cooking up good deals here at HSN. I got my chef hat on. I was texting with celebrity chef Ann Burrell just a few minutes ago, and I said, I'm a chef now. And she said, okay, good luck, Chad. Go to school. So I'm going to go to chef school. I'm going to be a real chef. With the projector, though, I can have a party. I can invite people over, make some fun Halloween or Christmas cocktails, and it goes through the new year. So put it out now. You have now. You can put it out now because you get the Halloween slides. And then all you have to do, Adam, is change out the slide per holiday. Christmas. We even give you snowflakes. So if you're not feeling like you want any sort of actual cats or balloons or New Year's type things, we give you snowflakes. You can just put snowflakes on your house. But this saves you all the trouble of hanging Christmas lights. It saves you all the trouble of having to buy a ton of decorations, because for this low price, half the price of what they're going to sell it for in the store, Adam, that you pointed out, that retail compare, you buy all your decorations. I can hold it with one hand. All you got to do is plug it in, and you're good to go. It's astonishing.
And Chad, I was saying to Amy, because before with the older ones, you had to buy all the individual slides. It's like you'd buy 3 of these or 4 of this. So this is like the full set.
So let me tell you, it will cover the whole front of my house. So for those of us that have issues getting out and setting everything up for Halloween, will this cover the whole front area of my house?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, depending.
Yes.
A normal size house, yes. I mean, if like Chad's palace that he lives in, he needs a couple of them to really, you know.
But like, if I just want to do this in the back pool area, if the kids are coming over, you know, I mean, how much area? I guess the further back you put it, the more area it's going to cover, right?
Absolutely. And you can see the way, even here, even with our...
That's a large area.
And we've still got studio lights on, right? And you can still see how bright and vivid it is. Chad, some of the older ones, I'm just going to say it, some of the older versions from 5 or 6 years ago were a little disappointing.
Yes. Yes, they were. And Amy, to answer your question, if you live in Adam's mansion that he was pointing out just a second ago, he said my name, but I think he meant him. Because I've seen it, and I know Chelsea very well. I don't think they're living in a small home, okay? They got lots of children running around, and you never know what kind of pets they have this week. But they need two. They might need 2 or 3, Amy, because when if you have that right there is 2 units that they're showing in the house. It just depends on the size of your house. But quite frankly, guys, HSN is so generous. You guys have been talking about that return policy. If you don't need it, just send it back. Well, now is the time.
Thank you, Chad. That was so much fun. We appreciate you. Great costume.
Wait, I got my thing. Let me just keep cooking up some good deals for you. Maybe I'll be back.
He's an actor.
He is. Wow, that Chad.
See the whole different
special.
side.
Okay.
Thank you, Chad. Okay, that's my pick of the hour. Now it's time for Amy's pick of the hour. We thought this would be fun.